factor of px in each of the following cases. First, px is equal to 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1, and gx is given x plus 1. So first we have to find the value of x. So here x is equal x plus 1. So x is equal to minus 1. Then we will substitute this value x minus 1 in x. So 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. 2 minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square minus 2 multiplied by minus 1 minus 1. After solving, we will get minus 2 plus 1 plus 2 and minus 1. Minus 2 plus 2 will get cancelled, plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled, and we will get 0. Second, px is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. So your divisor, that is gx, is equal to x plus 2. So we will first find the value of x. So x plus 2, therefore x is equal to minus 2. Now we will substitute this value in this expression. X cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 minus 2 raised to 3 plus 3 minus 2 raised to 2 plus 3 into minus 2 plus 1. Here we will get minus 8 plus 3 into 4 plus minus 6 plus 1. Minus 8 plus 12 minus 6 plus 1. Here after solving we will get minus 1. Therefore gx is equal to x plus 2 is not factor of px, since we did not get the value 0. Third, px is equal to x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6. To find the value of x, we will take x minus 3. Therefore x is equal to 3. Now we will substitute x that is 3 in this expression. 3 raised to 3 minus 4 multiplied by 3 raised to square plus 3 and plus 6. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, minus 4 into 3 3s are 9 plus 3 plus 6. After solving we will get 27 minus 36 plus 9, that is 0. Then thus gx is factor of px. Third, find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of px in each of the following cases. So to find the value of x is equal to 1, and we will substitute 1 in this expression. So x square plus x plus k is equal to 0. Now 1 square plus 1 plus k is equal to 0. After solving, we will get k is equal to minus 2. Second, px is equal to 2x square plus kx plus root 2. So we have already found the value x is equal to 1. So we will substitute x 1 in this x. So root 2 is equal to 0. Then 2 into 1 plus k plus root 2 is equal to 0. K is equal to minus 2 minus root 2. Therefore the value of k is minus 2 minus root 2. Question number 3. px is equal to kx square minus root 2x plus 1. So x value is 1. We will substitute x value in this, is equal to 0. So k minus root 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. K is equal to root 2 minus 1. So the value of k is root 2 minus 1. Question 4. Px is equal to kx square minus 3x plus 1. So x value is 1 is equal to k1 raised to 2 minus 3 multiplied by 1 plus k is equal to 0. So k minus 3 plus k is equal to 0. Here 2k minus 3 is equal to 0. K is equal to plus 3 upon 2. Therefore, the value of k is plus 3 upon 2. 4. Factorize. First 12x square minus 7x plus 1. So, here we will solve this question by splitting the middle term. So, minus 3x minus 4x plus 1. Minus 3x minus 4x is minus 7x. Such that the product of these minus 3x and minus 4x be equal to 12x square, and sum of these we will get 7x. So here we will take common outside, that is 3 will be outside and x will also be out of the bracket. So 3x and 12x, 3x multiplied by 4x minus 1 minus 1 4x minus 1. Now 3x minus 1 in bracket and 4x minus 1 and 4x minus 1 is same, so we will write it for only one time. So 4x minus 1. Question 2. 2x square plus 7x plus 3. So 2x square and plus 6x plus 1x plus 3, as 6x plus 1x, the sum of this we will get 7x, and product of this, that is 2 into 3, we will get 6. So this 6, product is 6 and sum is 7. Your product, that is 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, sum is 7. Okay, so we will split this middle term. We will get 6x plus 1x, and here 6 and 1, 6 1s are 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. So we got the middle term, summation 6x plus 1x, we will get 7x, and 6x multiplied by 1x, we will get 6x square. We will take the common outside. The common is 2x, and inside the bracket it will be x plus 3 plus 1 multiplied by x plus 3. So 2x plus 1 and x plus 3 and x plus 3 is common, so we will take it only for one time. So 2x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 3 is the answer. 6x square plus 5x minus 1. So here 6 6 are 36. So product we got is 36 minus 36, and sum is 5x. We'll take the middle term, that if we multiply we will get minus 36, the product will be 36 x square, and summation we will get 5x. So here minus 4 plus 9, that is 4 9s are 36 minus 36 x square, and summation is 5x, that is 9 minus 4 is 5. So 6x square, the middle term will get split, minus 4x plus 9x minus 6. Here 2x is common, so we will take out of the bracket. So 2x multiplied by 3x minus 2 plus 3 multiplied by 3x minus 2. So 2x plus 3 and 3x minus 2. Question 4. 3x square minus x minus 4. Here the product is 12 minus 12. 3 multiplied by 4. So minus 12. And here sum is minus 1. So we will get the middle term, that is minus 4 plus 3. That is 4 3s are 12 minus 12, and minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. So 3x square, we will split the middle term by minus 4x and plus 3x minus 4. Here x is common, we will take outside. X 3x minus 4 plus 1 multiplied by 3x minus 4. So x plus 1 multiplied by 3x minus 4 will be